Welcome to Healthism. Today's video is dedicated to exploring natural methods for enhancing your digestive system instantly. In this fast-paced world, prioritizing digestive health is crucial for overall well-being. Join us as we delve into practical tips and strategies to support optimal digestion, allowing you to feel better and live your best life. Let's discover how simple changes can make a big difference in improving your digestive health naturally. The digestive system plays a fundamental role in our overall health and well-being. It's responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste from the body. When the digestive system is not functioning optimally, it can lead to discomfort, bloating, constipation, or other digestive issues. Incorporating natural methods into your lifestyle can help improve digestion instantly and promote long-term gut health. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 10 natural ways to enhance your digestive system quickly, providing practical tips and insights to support optimal digestion. 1. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for proper digestion as it helps break down food and move it through the digestive tract. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day can prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and increase your intake during hot weather or physical activity to stay hydrated and support digestive health. 2. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber is crucial for digestive health as it adds bulk to stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. Incorporate a variety of fiber-rich foods into your diet, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day to support optimal digestion and overall gut health. 3. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your food, savoring each bite, and eating slowly. This practice allows you to tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating and aiding digestion. Avoid distractions such as watching TV or using electronic devices while eating, and focus on enjoying your meals in a relaxed environment. 4. Chew your food thoroughly. Proper chewing is essential for digestion as it breaks down food into smaller particles, making it easier for your stomach and intestines to digest. Chew each bite thoroughly before swallowing, aiming for around 20-30 chews per mouthful. This not only aids digestion, but also allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently from the food you eat. 5. Incorporate probiotic foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy balance of gut flora and support digestive function. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods into your diet, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. These foods help maintain a diverse microbiome and can improve digestion by reducing bloating, gas, and inflammation in the gut. 6. Stay active. Regular physical activity is beneficial for digestion as it helps stimulate bowel movements and reduce constipation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, such as walking, cycling, swimming, or yoga. Physical activity also helps reduce stress, which can negatively impact digestion, further supporting overall gut health. 7. Manage stress. Stress can have a significant impact on digestive health, leading to symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or progressive muscle relaxation to promote relaxation and alleviate digestive discomfort. Prioritize self-care activities and make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. 8. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods can exacerbate digestive symptoms and trigger discomfort in sensitive individuals. Pay attention to how your body reacts to different foods and avoid those that cause bloating, gas, or other digestive issues. Common trigger foods include fatty or fried foods, spicy foods, caffeine, carbonated beverages, and artificial sweeteners. Opt for a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods to support optimal digestion and gut health. 9. Drink herbal tea. Herbal teas can be soothing for the digestive system and may help alleviate symptoms such as bloating, indigestion, and nausea. Choose herbal teas such as peppermint, ginger, chamomile, or fennel, which have been traditionally used to support digestion and promote relaxation. Sip on warm herbal tea between meals or after a heavy meal to aid digestion and soothe the stomach. 10. Get adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, including digestive health. Lack of sleep can disrupt digestion, leading to symptoms such as constipation, bloating, and indigestion. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night and establish a consistent sleep schedule to support optimal digestion and overall well-being. Improving digestive health doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these 10 natural strategies into your daily routine, you can enhance your digestive system instantly and promote long-term gut health. From staying hydrated and eating fiber-rich foods to practicing mindful eating and managing stress, small changes can make a significant difference in how you feel and function. Listen to your body, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you in supporting optimal digestion and overall wellness. Remember that consistency is key, and prioritizing your digestive health can lead to improved vitality, energy, and overall quality of life. If you have any questions or want to share your own nutrition tips, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our incredible Healthism community. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And of course, subscribe to Healthism if you haven't already for more great content. Until next time, take care and prioritize your health.